Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a kind-hearted king named Hades. Despite his name, Hades was not the ruler of the underworld, but the king of a beautiful kingdom covered in lush green forests, sparkling rivers, and golden sunsets. One day, Hades noticed that a star in the night sky had gone missing. He was worried and decided to set off on a journey to find it. He journeyed for many days and nights, crossing mountains, valleys, and oceans. He met many creatures along the way, but none had seen the lost star. In a small village, Hades met a little girl named Stella. Stella was a stargazer, someone who loved to watch the stars every night. Hades explained his mission to her, and Stella was determined to help. Together, Hades and Stella set off to find the lost star. They climbed tall trees and searched through dense forests, but they could not find it. Stella had an idea. She grabbed a lantern and asked Hades to hold it high. They began to look for the lost star, their hearts filled with hope. Suddenly, they saw it. The lost star was stuck in a tall tree. Stella climbed the tree and carefully freed the star. It twinkled brighter than ever before. Hades and Stella returned the star to the sky, where it belonged. The villagers cheered and thanked them for bringing back their lost star. Hades and Stella returned to their homes, happy and proud. Hades realized that kindness and determination could help him find anything, even a lost star. The end.